Hi, you're welcome to Courses Academy. We are still on balancing complex redox reactions. Are you there? Very good. Now, I've done something on this before. This is just another question. Does it make sense? So here I'm having manganese 7 ion reacted with what? Neutral iron metal plus, it gave us iron 3 ion, then gave us manganese what? 2 ion. Very good. We should know that redox reactions are reactions where electron transfer occurs. So it is actually reduction oxidation reaction. So in a redox reaction, reduction occurs while and equally oxidation equally what occurs. Does it make sense? Now we need to balance this complex redox reaction. But balancing complex redox reaction, we have balancing in acidic condition and balancing in basic condition. But in this video, I'm to first balance in acidic condition, because for you to balance in basic condition, you need the steps in acidic condition. So I'll balance this in acidic condition in this video. Then my next video will definitely be balancing the same in what? Basic what? Condition. Does it make sense? So let's balance this in acidic condition. Remember, for you to balance a complex redox reaction, the first step you follow is splitting into half reaction. That's, you get the reduction half reaction and oxidation half reaction. Very good. Now, for us to split, we have to identify the species here undergoing either reduction or oxidation. Does it make sense? So if we look at manganese 7 ion, which finally gave us manganese 2 ion, the oxidation number of manganese here initially is +7. Then finally it gave us what? Plus what? 2. You can see that oxidation number of manganese decreased from +7 to +2. And in reduction, this is definitely reduction, because it is in reduction that oxidation number does what? Decreases. Now, if you watch the oxidation number of ion here, it is 0 because it is neutral. The oxidation number of ion here, +3. You can see that the oxidation number did what? Increased, right? So this is actually what? Oxidation part. Do you understand? Hence, let's look at the oxidation half reaction and the what? The reduction half reaction. And we have to balance each what? Case. So balancing the oxidation half reaction. The one that undergo the oxidation there is what? Iron. Now it formed what? Ion 3 what? Ion. Now that we've done and splitting, we've gotten the one undergoing oxidation, we've gotten the one undergoing reduction. So the next step, the second step, says balance the given elements. Now, in terms of moles, in terms of atoms, I have 1 mole of iron here. I have 1 mole of iron in terms of atoms that are balanced. But after balancing the given element, we need to balance the charges. I have +3 charge here, but here I have 0 charge. So they are not balanced. We have to balance the charges. But I like balancing the charges using the definition of the processes that occur according to electron transfer. Now, what is oxidation? Because this is oxidation half reaction. Oxidation means loss of electrons. Does it make sense? So watch out. For this iron metal to form iron 3 ion, something really happened. So it means that iron metal did what? It lost 3 moles of electron to give us iron 3 what? Ion. But we don't leave it like this because of this minor. We have to just move it. So if we move that -3 electron to the other side, we have iron gave iron 3 what? Iron what? 3 ion plus what? 3 moles of what? Electron. So it is meant to be like this. Your textbooks will leave it like this. Does it make sense? So we can see in terms of atoms, in terms of mole, iron is balanced. Now in terms of charge, I have 0 charge here. Here I have +3 charge. Here I have +3 times -1. That's -3 charge. +3 minus 3 is definitely what? 0. So you can see that they are balanced in terms of charges. Can you see it? Very simple. I hope you understand. Now we've balanced the oxidation half reaction. Our next line of action would definitely to be what? To balance what? The reduction what? Half reaction. Does it make sense? What occurred at the reduction side? Now, what's the species undergoing reduction? It is manganese what? 7 ion. MnO4 minus gave us Mn what? 2 plus. Are you ready? Now we can see that manganese, watch out. In terms of moles, manganese, we have what as in 1 mole or 1 atom of it. How many atoms of manganese do I have here? I have 1. So manganese is balanced. I mean, as in step 2, balance the given element. So balancing given elements, manganese is balanced. But you can see that oxygen I have 4 atoms of oxygen on the left, but I have no oxygen on the right. Therefore, the third step, that's what brings about the third what step, which is balance oxygen by introducing water. So this oxygen I'm having here, I have to balance it by introducing water, H2O. Does it make sense? Now, how many atoms of oxygen do I have here? I have one. How many atoms of oxygen do I have here? I have four. It's not balanced, so I have to introduce 4 what? H2O. So oxygen is one what? Balance. 4 times that one. Oxygen is balanced. But when I introduced oxygen, hydrogen came in, right? So the next step, which is step 4, says balance hydrogen by introducing hydrogen ion. So since I have hydrogen on the right, I have to introduce what? Hydrogen ion on the left. So this would be like this: manganese 4, manganese 7 ion, plus, yes, because we have to introduce hydrogen. So I have 4 times to 8 atoms of hydrogen. So I have to introduce 8 moles of hydrogen ion so the hydrogen becomes balanced. Mn2 plus 4H2O. I hope you understand what I mean. I said balance oxygen by introducing water, which we did. Found that there are 4 atoms of oxygen, so we have to put 4 moles so the oxygen is balanced. Now we introduced hydrogen as well. So we balance hydrogen by introducing hydrogen ion. If you watch here, we have 4 moles of hydrogen. So we have 4 times 2 atoms we equally have here. Do you understand? 4 times 2. So we have 8, as in last, 8 atoms of what? Hydrogen. So we have to balance that hydrogen by introducing hydrogen ion. So we have 8 over here. We equally have to have 8 over on the left hand side. Does it make sense? So if I watch this now, I've balanced everything, the given elements in terms of atoms. Now the next thing is for me to balance charges. After you balance everything about elements, you balance what? Charges. If you want, how many charge do I have here? Here I have -1 charge. Here I have 8 times plus 1. So I have +8 charge. Here I have +2 charge. And here I have 0 charge. Now, on the left hand side, I have -1 plus 8 will give me plus what? 7. Then on the right hand side, I have what? +2 what? Charge. Does it make sense? Now we have to balance charges. So +7 +2, are they balanced? No. We really not need to balance charges by introducing what? Electrons. Now, but we know that electron is negatively what? Charged. So if you are introducing anything negative on the right hand side, it makes no sense, because if you introduce 4 electrons on the right, you are still saying -4. So +2 -4 will keep making the what? Number of charge to go down, while we have +7 here. So your next line of action is to bring this one down, the highest one, bring it down. Now it means that where you are meant to introduce what? Charge is on this what? Left hand side. So we have manganese 7 ion plus what? 8 moles of hydrogen, plus, recall that the total charge I was having is +7. Now +7 minus what will give us that +2 we were having there? It will be -5. Now it means that I'm to introduce 5 moles of electron here, then which will give me manganese 2 ion plus what? 4 moles of water. Now watch it. I have +2 charge here over here. I have -1 here, +8 here. I have +5 times -1 -5. So I have -1 +8 +7 +7 -5. Can you see that it is what? +2. So in terms of charges, they are balanced. Does it make sense? So you see that I balanced elements. The next thing I did was to balance what? Charge, which I've done. Very simple. The thing is actually very simple. So we can see that I've gotten the balanced reduction half reaction, and I've gotten the balanced oxidation what? Half reaction. My next thing is to get the overall what? Reaction. Now, getting overall reaction is just like simultaneous linear equation. Now, I have on the oxidation, I have to combine equation 1 and equation 2. Now, what do I have on the oxidation and I equally have on the reduction? I can see electron on the reduction. I can equally see electron on the what? Oxidation side. Does it make sense? Now I need to what? Balance. I need to cancel them out. That's the idea. I need to cancel out. Let me tell you. Now I have 5 here and I have 3 here. I need to make them the same for them to be balanced. Now I have to take this equation 1, this equation 2. You understand? If you really understand simultaneous linear equation, that's elimination method. So I have to take how many moles of electron here is I have here 3, right? So I have to multiply the equation 2 by 3. How many moles of electron do I have here? I have plus 5. I have to multiply equation 1 by what? 5. So let's do it. 5 times all this, 5 times Fe is 5 Fe. 5 times this will be 5 Fe 3 plus. 5 times 3 electron will be 15 what? Electron. Now, 3 times all this, that's I'm doing 3 times, so not times 3 manga, 3 times all this. So 3 times all this will be 3 MnO 4 minus plus 3 times this will be 24 H plus 15 electron to give me 3 Mn2 plus 12 H2O. This is it. Now you can see that I have 15 electron here, I have 15 electron here. Now if I will ever compare that, and I need now to join them together. That's all the reactants come together and all the products do what? Come together. Now, what the reactants I have on the oxidation side, I have 5 Fe, right? Now, the reactants I have on the reduction side, I have 3 MnO 4 minus plus 24 H plus 15 what? Electron, right? These are the reactants. Now, the product I have on the oxidation side, I have plus 5Fe3 plus 15 electron, right? Now, on the reduction side, the products are plus 3Mn2 plus what? 12H2O. Now, I've joined them together, reduction and oxidation together. You can see 15 electron on the left, right? You can see 15 electron. What did I do here? I said plus 15. Okay, this is, watch out. This product, this should be like this. Yes, because this joins this, give this, join this. This should be an arrow. This should be arrow. Don't make that mistake. So if you can see that this is 15 electron, 15 electron. If this goes over here, it will not be minus. So I need just to cancel them out. So last what I'm having is 5Fe plus 3MnO4 minus plus 24 hydrogen ion gave me 5Fe3 plus what? 3Mn2 plus 12H2O. And that's my final answer in acidic what? Condition. So you can see that it is acidic condition. Why? Because I have a what? I have a proton here. I have a hydrogen what? Ion. Does it make sense? So my next video will be balancing it in what? Basic condition. And I hope you understand. Please have a nice day. Like, comment, share, and follow Courses Academy. Bye bye.